What's happening? I'm going to try to keep this as short as I can because I know the weather is beautiful this weekend. Um, and I want to be able to savor this nice weather as much as we can because I know what's about to be coming. All right, we are taking our test on Wednesday of next week. It'll be covering targets 4, which is adding integers, target 5, which is multiplying and dividing integers, target 6, which is converting fractions, decimals, and percents. Target 7 is creating a graph and a scale on a graph. And then target 8 is multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. So one thing to do is over the weekend check Infinite Campus how they're doing on those quick quiz scores because that's what's going to be on the test. Practice test is happening on Monday, and just make sure that you're checking ed puzzles and homework assignments have been turned in on Infinite Campus. Okay, I've been trying to update that as much as I can. Um, like always, give me an email if you have some sort of question about anything. All right, have a fantastic weekend. Bye.